Hi, how are you? I thought I'd show you how I get everything in my van, as far as my e-bike and my paddleboard goes. I've just come back from the gym and thank goodness you can't smell me because it's not pleasant, but it's so hot here today. It's like 32 degrees or something, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. So I thought I'd take the opportunity while I'm hot and sweaty to show you how I put the e-bike in and the paddleboard, because I'm heading down the coast tomorrow to have a bit of a play on the water. So I'll show you how I get everything in. So I've got my inflatable paddleboard all secure down, and quite an awkward shape, but it fits there easily, and there's a bit of room to spare as well. What I did to my van was attach a couple of D bolt thingies, one at this end and one at the other end, and I just thread through some of that webbing and latch it down, pull it tight, and that's not going anywhere. This is the other end of the inflatable paddleboard where I've got the other D-ring. I've just got it secured down there next to my bed. So that's why I leave that blank when I bring my paddleboard. I can still access the cupboard and everything easily as well. And then, to get ready for my e-bike to come in, I open down the flap. And that's my e-bike. And I've taken the battery off because that's a good 2 kilos on its own. So to make it lighter, first of all, I remove the battery pack. Next thing I have to do is take off the front wheel. Anyone who owns a bike, it's the same as any other bike to take the front wheel off. And I'm not very strong, and I don't find this. I rest it on the step, take off my thongs, step inside, and simply just maneuver it round, and then rest forks into the mount. And it's as easy as that. Well, that's a close-up of the fork resting on the mount, and that's been tightened down and the levers clamped down, and that makes it super secure. Next thing I have to do is bring in the wheel, and then I put the cushions off the bed down the side as well, just to stop things rattling. It's my paddleboard and my fishing rod. Everything's tucked away, ready for my paddle on the Currumbin River. There's the wheel, secure with a little bungee, and the cushions and my sunshades tucked down there as well. I can still access the fridge. I can't open the fridge totally, but I can access the fridge enough. Come and join me for a paddle and a bike ride down at Currumbin.